Imagine a sunlit meadow where the soft, golden light dances upon the petals of 1,000 blooming flowers. Each blossom is a masterpiece, painted by nature's hand in hues of crimson, violet, and gold. The air is sweet with their fragrance, a delicate perfume that invites you to pause and breathe deeply. Among the flowers, butterflies flit gracefully, their wings a blur of color, adding to the vibrant tapestry. Above, the sky is a serene canvas of blue, dotted with fluffy white clouds. As you stand amidst this natural wonder, you hear the gentle symphony of birds chirping. Their melodies are like a balm for the soul, each note a reminder of the simple joys and beauty that life offers. The birds, with their feathers glistening in the sunlight, seem to sing just for you, their songs weaving a harmonious background to the breathtaking scenery. Take a moment to listen. The birds' chirps are not just sounds. They are stories of freedom and grace, of journeys through the skies, and moments of rest in the trees. They remind us to appreciate the present, to find beauty in the fleeting moments, and to embrace the world around us with open hearts. In this meadow, time stands still. The flowers sway gently in the breeze, their petals brushing against one another in a silent dance. The birds continue their chorus, a gentle reminder that there is always music to be found, even in the quietest places. Let this vision of beauty and tranquility fill your heart with inspiration. Let the flowers and the birds remind you that life, in all its simplicity, is filled with moments of wonder and joy. So, carry this image with you. Whenever you need a moment of peace or a touch of inspiration, close your eyes and return to this meadow, where flowers bloom in radiant colors and birds sing their timeless songs of hope and happiness.